So here is my final build project 2 for art. I gave up on my original plan, but then my wife came to the rescue with a project for me. She works for a company and it is rather graphically intensive, and for their 2020 in review, she had this idea of using a ViewMaster with the different categories and what was accomplished in 2020. Now I know some of my fellow students may not know what a ViewMaster is, but you can go back in the history books if you like. So the idea was to automate it so that the lever will go down and the disc will turn for the 4 different areas. And I used a light sensor for that, with the idea that somebody could just put their hand in front of this to make it turn. Testing that has proven to be a little bit difficult nighttime in Minnesota when you're in a home that doesn't have that much ambient light. So my wife is holding very bright light as she films this, but here's how it works. And you just kind of have to time it. I learned a lot on this project, including that to get a 360-degree continuous servo motor, it doesn't actually stop in angles, so I had to learn how to program that. Originally I'd planned that the servo motor would just go 90 degrees and stop, but you can't do that with a continuous servo motor, and so you have to give it a signal to go how fast it will go and when to stop it. So I'm using human power to determine when to stop. It's just a little bit tricky. Maybe go around to the back side and show the Arduino setup. So glad to be done, and I hope it goes well for my wife's demonstration at work tomorrow.